Hey guys, it's Audible, and with the new tutorial that's for water drop, and yeah, suggested by Girl Last. Huge shout out to him. And yeah, this is how you do the water drop. This is how it sounds actually. So you, like most people, tap and do it. I don't know. Anyway, you feel comfortable, you can do it. So yeah, first you need to make a O-shaped mouth that is like that. That's the first step, like. And then this step, I don't know how, like I find it easy when I do pronounce ut, W-U-T, wood. That is, it's like I first go like this and then breathe out with saying ut, but don't vocalize it. If you vocalize it, it'll become like ut, ut. So try doing it like not vocalize and more air, like a whistle type. Yeah, so practically that is it.